All right, so what we have here is I have an intersection of two lines, okay? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to, well, show you all the different types of things that we can see out of this one thing right here. So what I want you to do first is I want you to try to find all of the different rays of this intersection, okay? So we have points that are there, and then we have an intersection there. But I want you to find all of the different rays. So pause the video for a second and see if you can figure that out. All right, well, let's take a look at it. Hopefully pause the video. You can keep going if you want, it's up to you. So let's take a look at this. I'm gonna start on this side. And so I have two rays that are going away from each other. So I should have two out of this line right here. I should have ray E, F, okay? And then I should have ray going the other direction, F, E, okay? And then once again, same thing on this side. Should have a ray, and these should have points here. So ray H, G, okay? And ray GH, like so. Okay, so what we have there covers all of them, all right? Now, another piece that we have is I'm gonna say, what are all the line segments? So all the line segments. Well, I have a line segment right there. I'm gonna follow the same pattern here. EF. Now, depending on what you're doing, it doesn't make a whole lot of difference if you call it EF or FE, because it's the same piece. HG is also there. And so what they're doing is they're taking this piece, and if I could have one of those fancy 3D things, I would pull it out and say, here's the piece that we're looking at. All right, so there's your little examples of the so many different things that you can have in just this little intersection. So intersection of two lines, being able to visually see rays and line segments, okay? Another thing that happens in this, and we'll talk about it in the next video, is that when we have these intersections and these lines, we have multiple dimensions. So we'll talk about that in the next video.